Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your digital assistant in the Google app. If you want to use a different assistant for voice commands or personal settings, we will guide you through the steps to change it. So let's dive in. Open the Google app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the Google app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. Then on the next page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option Settings and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will also go down to the option Gemini and click on it. The following page will open where you will go down to the option Digital Assistants from Google and click on it. The app will offer you two digital assistants, Gemini, which is a new option that Google recently launched, and Google Assistant, which has been around for a long time and performs all the tasks you ask it to. It's up to you to decide which of the offered digital assistants you want to activate. All you have to do is click on it. Once you've selected your new assistant, it will now be the default for voice commands and interactions. And that's it. You've successfully changed your digital assistant in the Google app. Whether you're exploring new features or switching for convenience, this setting ensures that you have the assistant that works best for you. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.